Hello, this is Tareq Habib. Hope you are alright. Today I will discuss about JavaScript form validation, especially for blank data, and I am showing you how the program look like. I am running this program from the notepad. Yeah, like this. If the fields remain blank and you press the submit button, then it would stop you from the save data and then send a message. See, blank username or password. And if you write here the name but you keep blank in the password text field, then if you press the submit button, it also say that blank username or password. And we will code this today, and I will briefly describe about this. This is a HTML document, and I have one new page and a notes, script and style. I will give you all these files in the link below the video. You can download it from Google Drive. We have a class named login box. I created this class because of the style, and then form name, form ID, form 1, then action is new page.html. It means when you press the submit button, then if the condition is true, I mean if you write proper username and password, then it will take you to new page.html. What is here. And if you cannot write proper name and password, then it would give you message and it would not take you to new page. And this is on submit. This is an event. On submit event, when you click the submit button here, then on submit event take you to validate function. See here, on submit, this is an event actually, and it executes JavaScript when a form is submitted. And another property is action. Here action property sets or returns the value of action attribute in a HTML form. The action attribute specifies where to send the form data when a form is submitted in HTML or other type document. You can change the action property by this code. Like if the form's ID is form 1, then you can write document get element by ID dot action is equal to page name within the double quote. Page name should be within the double quote. And if you want to, if you don't want to go any other page and just want to this page in current location, you can write this one like this, a front slash. And you can write also in the action property, form property, method get. And there are two kinds of method here. You can use it in HTML, and those are actually get and post. Sends form data via URL string. If you use method get, it sends form data via URL string, and it tells the web browser how to send form data to a server. And if you use method post, it sends form data via the server. The method attribute of the form element tells the web browser how to send form data to server. And the main difference is that method get sends form data via URL string, and method post sends form data via the server. This is the main difference. And here there is one more thing. like when we click the submit button, then it call validate function. Validate function we wrote in script.js. Function validate function. This is the proper way to write a function name. And then we write the function definition. We declare a variable name which takes the value of text username. From here, text username. What we write in the text username takes the value of text username. And then another variable is password, which takes the text password value. And then we compare these values, like name. If name is blank or if password is blank, then it would give a message like blank username or password, and then it return false. We use here return false because we have to just finish the execution here, and control goes to the calling function. And then when we use this function, then if the function returns some value, then we have to write say this returns value, like false and true, and we have to write return here also. And then when we meet the condition of username and password, if the username and password is right, not wrong, right, then it take us to another page and it would open another tab for this condition. Like if target is blank, then it open another page. I am showing you now. See this. If I press the username and password 123, and press submit, see, we wrote the user and password in this page, but when we press submit, and it take us to another page, like welcome new page.html. So this is new page.html. Just doing the PHP here, save it, and this is actually for form validation in HTML and JavaScript, and only for blank data. If you put that data blank here, then it would be very effective. See here, if you just make it blank and press the submit button, it would give you a message blank username or password. And then one more thing, in the index.html, see, this is form tag, and we write the button, submit button, input type submit inside the form tag. If you write it from outside the form tag, then it would not give you any message. See, I run it, and if I make it blank and press the button, see, no button here, it just is gone here because I wrote some CSS for this button inside the form. See, it doesn't give any message. I click many times. So what you have to do in that case, if you want to run this button, then you have to put like form is equal to just form ID here, form 1, just copy it and paste it here, and if you run the program, then it will run. It will be only run. Like I make it blank and press the submit button. See, it's working. You have to just write the form ID here. So I give you the notes also. And one more thing, I just described you should put type submit button within the form tag. If you put the submit button outside the form area, then you need to write form attribute inside input type submit, like this. Like we wrote the form ID in the form attribute. And I am not describing you about the styles. This is not the subject for today. And I'll discuss CSS maybe after some session. And today just want to understand everything here, and just watch this course and then think, and then if any problem arises, don't forget to mail me, or just leave a comment in the video, below the video, and I will give all these files in the link. And today this is all, and all the best. Thank you very much. Bye bye.